These AI 900 questions look easy, but 80% of people get them wrong. Let's test your skills. Question 31. You are working on a traffic management system where you need to estimate the distance between the cars by determining the location of cars in an image. Which computer vision service should you choose? A. Face detection. B. Object detection. C. Image classification. D. Optical character recognition. OCR. This question asks you to match a real world computer vision scenario to the correct service. The key clues are location of cars and distance between cars. To calculate distance, you first need to know where each car is positioned in the image. The correct answer is B. Object detection. Object detection not only identifies what objects are in an image, but also where they are, returning bounding box coordinates for each detected object. In a traffic system, these coordinates allow the system to calculate the spatial distance between cars in the frame. Why the other options are not correct. A. Face detection. This specifically detects human faces. It cannot detect or locate vehicles in a traffic scene. C. Image classification. This labels the entire image as a whole, e.g., traffic scene. It does not locate individual objects or provide position data. D. OCR. This extracts text from images. It has no capability to detect or locate vehicles. Quick memory tip. Object detection, what, where? Needs a location? Needs a bounding box? Always object detection. Classification only says what. Detection says what and where. Question 32. As per below description, which Microsoft guiding principles for responsible AI is followed? The AI system should be able to operate as they were originally designed, respond safely to unanticipated conditions, and resist harmful manipulation. A. Fairness. B. Reliability and safety. C. Accountability. D. Privacy and security. E. Inclusiveness. This question asks you to match a description to one of Microsoft's 6 responsible AI principles. The key clues are operate as designed, respond safely, and resist harmful manipulation. These all describe how consistently and securely an AI system performs. The correct answer is B, reliability and safety. Microsoft's reliability and safety principle ensures AI systems perform consistently under both normal and unexpected conditions and cannot be easily manipulated into harmful behavior. This is the only principle focused on operational consistency, resilience, and resistance to attacks. Why the other options are not correct. A. Fairness. This is about treating all people equally and avoiding bias, not about system resilience or safety under failure conditions. C. Accountability. This is about who is responsible for AI decisions and outcomes, not about how the system performs technically. D. Privacy and security. This covers data protection and consumer controls, not operational safety or resistance to manipulation. E. Inclusiveness. This is about making AI accessible and empowering for everyone, not about system reliability or safety. Quick memory tip. Reliability and safety works as designed, even under attack. Consistent, safe under surprises, resists manipulation. Reliability and safety. Question 33. You are developing a chatbot solution in Azure. Which service should you use to determine a user's intent? A. Translator, text. B. Conversational language understanding, CLU. C. Q&A maker. D. Speech. This question asks which Azure service is designed specifically to understand what a user wants, their intent, in a chatbot conversation. The key phrase is determine a user's intent. The system must interpret the meaning behind natural language input, not just read or translate it. The correct answer is B. Conversational language understanding, CLU. CLU, conversational language understanding, maps natural language utterances to predefined intents, enabling chatbots to understand what action a user wants to perform. It is the modern successor to the retired LUIS service and integrates seamlessly with Azure AI Bot Service for end-to-end chatbot solutions. Why the other options are not correct. A. Translator text. This translates text between languages. It does not analyze or detect user intent in any way. C. Q&A maker. This matches user questions to predefined answers from a knowledge base. It handles Q&A lookup, not intent classification. D. Speech. This converts spoken audio to text or text to speech. Understanding intent from that text still requires CLU as a separate step. Quick memory tip. Intent equals CLU, answers, custom Q&A, voice equals speech. What does the user want? Always CLU. Pair CLU plus Azure Bot Service for a complete smart chatbot. Question 34. You wish to develop a reservation system for restaurant. Which of the following services would you need? A. Azure Q&A. B. Conversational Language Understanding CLU. C. Cognitive Services. D. Azure Bot Service. This question tests your knowledge of which two Azure services work together to build a smart conversational reservation system. The key is identifying the service that understands user intent, e.g., book a table for two, and the service that delivers the conversation to the user. The correct answer is B, Conversational Language Understanding, CLU. D, Azure Bot Service. CLU acts as the brain. It interprets what the user wants, intent, and pulls out key details like date, time, and party size, entities. Azure Bot Service acts as the delivery channel. It manages the conversation flow and connects the bot to users across multiple platforms. Why the other options are not correct. A, Azure Q&A. This is designed for static question and answer lookups from a knowledge base. It cannot handle dynamic multi-turn reservation workflows. C, Cognitive Services. This is a broad umbrella term for all Azure AI services. It is not a specific service you deploy to build a reservation chatbot. Quick memory tip. Reservation bot equals CLU, brain, bot service, mouth. CLU understands intent and extracts booking details. Bot service delivers the conversation to the user. Always pair these two for any smart chatbot scenario. To get the free PDF or mock test, comment PDF or mock or both. I will share the downloadable link within the next 24 hours. Question 35. Your organization has an existing frequently asked questions FAQ document. You need to create a custom question answering knowledge base that includes the questions and answers from the FAQ with the least possible effort. What should you do? A, create an empty knowledge base and then manually copy and paste the FAQ entries into it. B, import a predefined chit-chat data source. C, import the existing FAQ document into a new knowledge base. This question tests your knowledge of how to populate a custom question answering knowledge base efficiently. The key phrase is least possible effort. Always look for the most automated, direct option available. The correct answer is C. Import the existing FAQ document into a new knowledge base. Azure AI Language, custom question answering supports direct import of existing FAQ documents, including URLs, PDFs, and Word files, and automatically extracts all Q&A pairs from them. This requires zero manual entry, making it the least effort approach when an FAQ document already exists. Why the other options are not correct. A, create an empty knowledge base and manually copy-paste. This achieves the same result but requires significantly more time and manual effort, the opposite of least possible effort. B, import a predefined chit-chat data source. Chit-chat adds casual conversation responses like greetings. It does not import your organization's specific FAQ content. Quick memory tip. Existing FAQ plus least effort equals import the document. Already have an FAQ? Just import it. Azure extracts all Q&A pairs automatically. Never manually copy when you can import. So how many did you get right? Comment your score below. I reply to every comment. And don't forget to subscribe, because the next video might just be the one that helps you pass.